Then I another style. Style mode. Yes, thank you. That's the House of Culture in Enugu State, led by our able-working and capable commissioner, the Commissioner for Culture and Tourism. One more minute. Thank you. We'll still call you back. Thank you. We'll still call you back to do some other things for us. But for now, let's get into the business of the day. Thank you. Party 2. So, party 2 na party 1. Thank you. Right about now, Your Excellency, that's cultural presentation from the family of the culture and tourism of our great state. In case you hit the board, the talk, just call the commissioner. Hanjana, the way you are tired, he asked them to go. Is our own. We have paid for them till the year finishes. So you are free to use them as you want. Thank you. We are moving forward to the business of the day. The Brazilian women, and I have the honor to invite to the country Mrs. Joy Okpara, the corporate affairs manager, Southeast Nigerian Railway. In a week